This is Mr. Rich Don't Play. Here's a 1964 nickel no mint mark. Absolutely beautiful shape. There's some doubling on some of the lettering, but other than that is absolutely beautiful. Check out this 1986 Denver mint Liberty. Look at the lettering. This one is absolutely in perfect condition. Look at the Liberty. I mean, I'm talking about absolutely perfect condition. 1986 D. Look at that. Except for the one touching the head, and the date is a little bit it's a little bit off center. Well, it's not off center, but it's not level. But and it's got just some very obvious doubling in God We Trust. If I had a better magnifier, I imagine the Liberty might as well. But just it is for my camera. Yeah, there is doubling on almost all of this, but it's in absolutely beautiful condition. That's a 86. Here's a 85 Denver mint penny, beautiful condition. Also an 84. And here's a 1960 Denver mint. Still got some luster coming through. Got a bunch of 64s. Here's a beautiful 1967. Sorry, 87. How did that get in there? Damn it. It's all right. Here's a 1961 Denver mint. 1964 with the top of the fours clipped off on this one. As well, another 64 with the same error on it. It's got the top of the four. I got some better condition, but 64 no mint mark. And here's you a Alabama State. Hold on, Alabama State. Come on, zoom in, damn it. This is a tax debt of 1 cent tax debt or revenue coin. That's got to be old. This is an old tax token. One sales tax, 1 cent. But anyway, here's a beautiful 64 Denver. Almost all these are. This is a 61 and another 61. That one, I don't know what happened to that. It's definitely happened when it was minute. It's a 64 no mint mark. But actually my favorite one in the whole lot is, where are you at? Oh, there you go. This 1964 nickel and this 86 dime. Anyway, I found these today, just sorting through some pennies. Anyway, y'all have a blessed and wonderful day. And sorry the video was so long. Just to get these few little pennies. But that Alabama, I found that it's a sales tax, 1 cent, uh, 1 cent token, Alabama 1 cent token, sales tax token. I don't know how that worked. I need to research that, but I'm actually going to clean that one up, um, since it's just really a collector's item. But anyway, God bless, one love, one light. Peace out, guys.